In this video, I'll show you how to connect Instagram to Meta Business Suite step by step. Connecting your Instagram account allows you to manage posts, messages, ads, and insights for both Facebook and Instagram from one dashboard. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the Facebook account that manages your business. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, click Accounts, then select Instagram Accounts. Now, click the Add button and enter your Instagram username and password to sign in. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Once your Instagram account is connected, choose the Facebook page you want to link with it. Then review the permissions and click Save or Finish. Your Instagram account will now appear in Meta Business Suite, where you can create and schedule posts, reply to messages, manage ads, and view insights for both platforms from one place. If you don't see the option to add Instagram, make sure you have admin access to your Facebook page and that you're using the correct Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.